Hi, this is Stephanie, and today I'm going to share how to update a document type list in SAM. So we're going to access settings, and then we're going to go from settings to the list here. I'm looking specifically for the family document type list. So these are all listed in alphabetical order. So I can scroll down or I can use my browser's find function to search. Here's the family document type list. When I access the list, I may be presented with some items that are here. These are all list items, and we've got different attributes for how this particular list item is displayed on forms. You'll first want to start with a list of documents that your team needs to collect for a family, or a child, or any other entity type that you may be building this list on. This is a fairly comprehensive list of home study preparation documents. So things like photo ID, social security cards, etc., W-2s, bank statements, tax return, auto insurance, etc. I've got a list already ready prepared for me to go in and start adding these documents into SAM so that the document type will be available when I go and add documents. Some items may be available when you set up your site. Some are not going to be there. So you can kind of take a review of what is available in the site. And then when you're ready and you know what is a document that does not already exist, but that you want to add for that specific entity type, again, being the families, adoptive families, can add an item. I'm going to go ahead and copy like floor plan of the home. I'm going to put that in here. The document category is a way that we can organize the document types. So it's like a foldering system. The floor plan we might have a category called home and safety documentation, and I would pull that. I don't have that right now. This is a separate list that is managed the same way. So I can go and do that. I can also exclude the list item from a document list so that it only is pushed in when I've uploaded documents somewhere. Generally, this can be ignored. And then sometimes forms will be set up or lists will be set up so that it can be specific. The list item can be specifically shared on some forms and not others. The value for that is if I wanted to only allow medical documentation in the medical section. So for this case, I'm going to click all forms. Sometimes the setting is not actually established for this list, and so you won't even choose this at all. When you've done, you'll press save. And now the floor plan of the home is here in our list. What that allows me to do is go over to a family record and add that document type to their document section, or choose it when I'm setting up the configuration for checklists. So here, if I add a family document, I can now find the floor plan of the home and upload that document appropriately.